How to overcome any challenge with Stoicism. Introduction. Life is a series of challenges, and how we respond to them can have a profound impact on our well-being and success. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that originated in Greece, provides a practical and time-tested framework for dealing with life's difficulties. It teaches us to approach challenges with resilience, wisdom, and composure. In this essay, we will explore how to overcome any challenge with Stoicism by examining its core principles and practical strategies. By incorporating Stoic principles into your life, you can confront adversity with a calm and rational mindset, ultimately achieving a greater sense of contentment and success. 1. Understand the fundamentals of Stoicism. To effectively apply Stoicism in overcoming challenges, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental principles of this philosophy. At its core, Stoicism teaches that one's mental attitude and response to events are within their control, while external circumstances are largely beyond their influence. By recognizing this distinction, you can better prepare yourself to face challenges with equanimity and strength. 2. Focus on what you can control. One of the central tenets of Stoicism is the notion of distinguishing between what is within your control and what is not. In the face of any challenge, focus your attention on the aspects you can influence, such as your thoughts, emotions, and actions. External factors, such as other people's actions or unpredictable events, are beyond your control. By concentrating on your own responses, you can better navigate challenging situations and avoid the stress and frustration associated with trying to control the uncontrollable. 3. Embrace adversity as an opportunity. Stoicism encourages individuals to view adversity as an opportunity for personal growth and self-improvement. Instead of perceiving challenges as negative or unjust, see them as a means to test your character and build resilience. By adopting this perspective, you can confront challenges with a sense of purpose and the determination to emerge from them stronger and wiser. 4. Develop emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is a key component of Stoicism. It is the ability to withstand adversity with grace and courage. The Stoics believe that by developing emotional resilience, one can face even the most daunting challenges with a composed and steady mind. This resilience enables you to make sound decisions, maintain your focus, and persevere through adversity. 5. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for overcoming challenges with Stoicism. It involves mastering your desires and impulses to stay focused on your goals. Success often demands sacrifices and delayed gratification, and self-discipline is the tool that allows you to make these sacrifices. By controlling your impulses and adhering to your chosen course of action, you can tackle challenges with determination and a clear sense of purpose. 6. Live in accordance with virtue. Virtue is a central element of Stoicism, encompassing qualities like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Living in accordance with virtue provides a moral framework for your actions. It encourages you to make ethical choices and maintain your integrity, even in the face of challenges. Virtuous living not only contributes to your personal fulfillment, but also enhances your reputation and credibility. 7. Accept the impermanence of life. Stoicism teaches us to accept the impermanence of all things. Change is an inherent part of life, and challenges often result from these changes. By recognizing and embracing the impermanence of life, you can develop a more balanced perspective. This perspective allows you to adapt to new circumstances and challenges, making it easier to overcome obstacles. 8. Focus on the present moment. In dealing with challenges, it is essential to focus on the present moment. Stoicism encourages individuals to be fully present and to engage with the task at hand. Avoid ruminating on past regrets or worrying about the future, as these tendencies can lead to anxiety and distraction. By concentrating on the present moment, you can make better decisions, enhance your performance, and approach challenges with a clear and calm mindset. 9. Be mindful of your reactions. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of being mindful of your reactions to external events. Instead of responding impulsively to challenges or setbacks, take a step back, evaluate the situation, and choose a reasoned response. By cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness, you can make better decisions, avoid unnecessary conflicts, and maintain your composure in the face of adversity. 10. Maintain equanimity. Equanimity, or emotional balance, is a vital Stoic lesson for overcoming challenges. It suggests that you should avoid extreme emotional reactions to both success and failure. By maintaining emotional balance, you can make rational decisions and navigate the complexities of life with composure. This emotional steadiness enables you to confront challenges with a level head, ensuring that you can overcome them more effectively. Conclusion. Stoicism provides a potent framework for overcoming any challenge by emphasizing self-control, virtue, resilience, and emotional balance. By applying Stoic principles, you can confront adversity with grace and composure, emerging from challenges stronger and more resilient. Stoicism equips you with the tools to handle life's difficulties with a rational mindset and a determination to succeed. Embracing Stoicism and its teachings can lead to a more fulfilling and accomplished life, helping you overcome any challenge that comes your way. So, remember the wisdom of the Stoics as you face life's challenges and navigate them with strength, resilience, and grace.